I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth after waking up. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower before my breakfast. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave home at 8 a.m. I travel to work by bus. I check my emails in the office. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I finish my work at 5 p.m. I return home in the evening. I help my children with their homework. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. I clean my room every day. I pray before going to bed. She goes to school every day. We play cricket on Sunday. They watch TV in the evening.